Hi, in front of me is Realme 5i, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options on this Realme device. Start by accessing settings. Now you need to scroll down, go into sound and vibration over here, and then you can click on the switcher next to vibrate for incoming calls to enable or disable them. Then you can click on the switcher next to vibrate on silent to enable or disable vibrations while your device is muted. After that, scroll down, click on vibrate on touch, and this way disable or enable touch vibrations. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!